Determine the values of a, b, and c for y equals to ax cubed plus b times with x minus 1 square plus cx if dy dx equals to 2 and d2y dx squared equals to 1 at point 2, 1. We need to understand when the point 2, 1 means x equals to 2 and y equals to 1. We need to substitute these two values into the functions y equals to ax cubed plus b times with x minus 1 squared plus cx. Therefore, we're going to get 1 equals to a 2 to the power of 3 is 8. Then we're going to get 8a plus b 2 minus 1 squared is 1. 1 times b is b plus c times 2 is 2c. For dy dx means we need to differentiate y dy dx equals to differentiate ax cubed is 3ax squared plus differentiate b times with x minus 1 squared. B is a constant, just write down the b, and differentiate x minus 1 squared using general power rules. We're going to get 2 times with the b, x minus 1, power 2 minus 1 is 1, and differentiate the inside function is 1. Then differentiate cx is c. Then we need to substitute dy dx equals to 2 and x equals to 2 into our dy dx. 3a times with 2 squared is 12a plus 2b times with 2 with a minus 1 is 2b plus c. Next one, we need to find the second derivative. Differentiate once again our dy dx. We're going to get d2y dx squared equals to differentiate 3ax squared is 6ax plus write down the constant of 2b, differentiate x minus 1 is 1, and differentiate constant c is 0. Now what we have to do is we need to substitute the value of second derivative, which is 1, and x equals to 2 into 6ax. 6a times 2, which is 12a plus 2b. Now we have three equations. The first equation, 1 equals to 8a plus b plus 2c. The second equations, 2 equals to 12a plus 2b plus c. And the third equations, 12a plus 2b. So we're going to use the second equation, 2 equals to 12a plus 2b plus c, and we're going to minus these two. We're going to get 1 equals to c, or c is equals to 1. Now we're going to substitute c equals to 1 into the first equations. Now we're going to substitute c equals to 1 into the first equation. We're going to get 8a plus B plus 2C equals to 1, and 2 times width 1 is 2. Then let us bring 2 to the right hand side. We're going to get -1. So we're going to solve 8a plus b with the third equation. But first, we need to times with 2. Then we're going to get 16a plus 2b equals to -2. Then we're going to use the third equation again. Then we're going to get 12a plus 2b equals to 1. Let us minus this both. We're going to get 4a equals to -3. Then a equals to -3 over 4. Let us substitute -3 over 4 into the fourth equation. A, then this a is -3 over 4 plus b equals to -1. Let us divide this 8 with 4. We're going to get 2 and -6 plus b equals to -1. Then the value of b is equals to -5. So now we have value of a, which is -3 over 4, b equals to -5, and c equals to 1.